So now we're going to show you a quick clip on showering. So Axel steps nicely onto the shower perch. This never used to be the case. We had to train him to do this. And then, as you can see, to get him going, we get him used to the water. And he enjoys making his noises, which that's a sign to us that shows us that he is interested in eventually bathing himself. And he's about to get going, I think. Yep. Just to point out that this never used to be the case, and I spent many long cold showers with Axel on me, but eventually we got to this stage. Woo! And as you can see, he loves it.